Hello viewers, have a good day. Welcome to another tutorial. Today we'll learn different level setting in ArcGIS. So you can see here, this is my study area map, and my map have two different type of layer. One is thematic layer and another is the point layer. So each and every point layer have some specific identity. For example, you want to show the name of this point. That means each and every point have some specific name, locations. Okay, so how to show this level here? So that is a two method or two way. By that we can easily do that. See, if I zoom it, so you can see here, so these are the my point where I want to actually show my the label, the location of this particular area. So for that, this is the tea garden. Okay, so for that, just right click here, go to level feature. Okay, you can see here, again I want to say that, just right click here and go level feature, just click here. When I click, then you can see the particular name of this particular point features. Okay, so each and every level, each and every point have specific name. So this is the shortcut method. But if I want to change the font type, then font size, another thing, then we should go another way. So again, just click here tea garden, that this is the point feature layer, then go to properties, then you can see here general, source, selection, display, symbology, field, then you can see here level. So just click here level. Now you can come here the tea garden. If I click on this drop down, that means what actually showing this drop down menu. I actually want to go back again. If I go here and if I go join attribute table, then I can see here this point feature have some different entities or different attributes. So first one is tea garden name, then latitude, longitude, type, elevation. Okay, so these four type of entities or four type of attributes have with this point feature. So I can select tea garden, I can select latitude or longitude or type or elevation. Okay, so on the basis of this we can show my map. So now I want to go here, then go to properties, then so according to the selection, the level type is tea garden, that is why the all the point feature shows the tea garden name. Now I have to change according to my the study, according to my importance, or according to my study requirement. I want to select the type of tea garden. Okay, click apply and okay. So now you can see your map shows defined way. So organic tea garden and inorganic tea garden. Okay, that means I can easily change the level of this particular the map. Now you can see our map showing the all the point on the basis of the type of farming, tea farming, organic or inorganic. Again, you can go tea garden, go to properties. If you want to change again the label, just click this drop down elevation. So click apply and okay. So on the basis of elevation, it is showing that these are the tea garden which actually located in very high elevated area. This is the mid and this is the low elevated area. Okay, so this is the way by which we can select the different level. Now I want to show you the font size and the font type. So this is the text symbol. So you can change anything or you can select anything from here. Okay, and to just I want to take as an example, I change the font type whatever you want. Then I can also change the font size, increase or decrease. So font size decreases. Again I can go here, go to properties. Again I increase the font sizes. Not only that, I can also check the bold, apply and OK. So all features showing in bold. Italic also, I click here italic, apply, you can see all of the italic in front. Then if I click on this underline, apply, so everyone has underline also. So these are the way where we can uh, modify our map or use our level in optimum use. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video, more updates.